following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
A civil authority has issued tornado warning for the following counties or areas: Bedford County, Buttotot, Franklin County, Roanoke County, Roanoke City, VA. At 12:24 p.m. on November 11th, 2022, effective until 12:54 p.m., the National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for East Central Roanoke County in West Central Virginia, the city of Roanoke in West Central Virginia, West Central Bedford County in South Central Virginia, Southern Buttotot County in West Central Virginia, Northern Franklin County in West Central Virginia, until 1245 p.m. EST. At 1223 p.m. EST, the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Roanoke Mountain, or near Boone's Mill, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Yeah, right there.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Vinton, Stewartsville, Lake New Bridge, Cloverdale, and Cave Spring. Turna. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways when it is safe to do so.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or